Hi, my name is Gary Fullwood and I'm an award-winning designer of bathrooms and kitchens. I'm based in Watford and my company is called Gary Fullwood Designed Living. So I've created loads of blogs, videos and articles all designed to help you. So when you start your own home improvement project, to make the right choices, ensuring the right outcome for you. So remember, it's not just about buying a bathroom or kitchen, it's about making life at home just that little bit better. So today we're going to be talking about what is the best bath for you. Now this is a really important question, but ultimately it comes down what you're using the bath for. Now that may sound like a really silly question. You know, I want to get in a bath, I just want to lay down and have a nice bubble bath. But some people have baths to relax in. Some people have baths as features just for their room, just to show off the most amazing space. Some people have a bath to shower over. So that's where the elements of what bath's best for you really comes into play. Now, when someone's having a shower over a bath, so it's a dual purpose, they haven't got the biggest of bathrooms, so they need to put a shower over a bath, I always prefer to use a still bath. I think it gives you a real nice solid base. It's not going anywhere. When it's fitted, it's completely rigid. There's no room for flexibility whatsoever. And I think that's a really key element when you're having a bath and a shower all built into one. Now, the other option you can have is obviously an acrylic bath. Now, I do recommend an acrylic bath when you're not having a shower over it. So if you've got a separate shower enclosure, so you'll be standing in that one doing all your dancing and you're singing in the shower, that means you're not putting that pressure on your acrylic bath, so it doesn't have to be as thick and as durable. But when you do have an acrylic bath, sometimes you're a bit more flexibility on the shaping of the internals of them, because sometimes a lot easier to mould when it comes to an acrylic bath. The other type of bath you can have is a freestanding bath. Now these are giving the element of a luxury to your bathroom. So if you've got space, you've got a lovely bit of space for a bath and a shower, you can have this beautiful freestanding bath. They can stand in the middle of rooms, they can sit underneath windows, and they come in different materials. You can either get a stone or, once again, a really reinforced acrylic. But they're like creating that feel luxury, spa feel, that real feel of elegance when it comes to a room, and they create a massive beautiful feature to any bathroom. So that's the core element. The other elements to think about are potentially traditional baths, because you get modern and you get traditional. So you can have the traditional, which are the roll top baths with the claw feet in either cast iron or chrome. You can paint them any colour underneath. That's a really cool thing to do. And then you have the modern baths where it's just a real like egg-shaped, freestanding all the way down to the floor. So they're the different elements of bath. So understanding what is the best bath for you is a really important question to ask yourselves in terms of what look you're trying to achieve from the space, but also you need to understand the space and the room you've got within your bathroom. Now, baths come in so many different shapes and sizes, and that's the beautiful thing about picking the right bath, because sometimes you can have a smaller bath and it still creates the same amount of space and feel of luxury inside than what some of the larger baths can do. But once again, with bath, it's about testing and trying. You wouldn't buy a car without testing it, so you don't go into a showroom, don't get in and out of a bath and test them, because it's really important that you feel comfortable in that bath. Now, obviously keep your clothes on when you're in a showroom, don't want to cause any disturbances or get thrown out of anywhere, but it's still key that you test drive a bath, get inside, get in it, get a feel for it, because if you get a bath that's too big, you can't get that nice laying position or seating position. You're constantly slipping down a bath. It's really key to make sure that that bath is comfortable. Now, when you have a freestanding bath, you can buy cushions to sit at the back so you can lay down and relax. Now, if you've got the time for a beautiful bathing bath, you know, that's why it's key that you pick the right bath for you. But like I say, it's a very personal choice and it suits your room to the size and to the maximise the space and how luxury you want it to feel. So I hope that answers the question on what is the best bath for you, but remember, it's a very personal choice. But I've created lots of blogs, videos and articles all designed to help you with your home improvement project. So if you have any questions whatsoever about baths, what type of bath or bathrooms in general, either leave us a comment, drop us a message or give us a call.